Day in the life of an unemployed 24-year-old who makes 100K a month. Let's get it. I woke up today to $1,097. Wednesdays are usually my busiest days of the week. If you look at my calendar, I pretty much have back-to-back meetings. Not fun. You gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. My first meeting starts in about 30 minutes, so gotta get changed real quick. Let's get the day started. Let's go. Alright, just wrapped up a meeting with my sales team. Not exactly sure how I feel about the team right now. It's one of my closers' last day today, and my other closer is sick. So we just upgraded one of our setters to a closer. I think a lot of work needs to be done. And I think for the highest leverage use of my time, I'm not sure if it's best if I keep hopping on these sales team meetings and trying to see what's going on versus just improving the leads, improving my content, improving the product, and overall coming up with the bigger ideas to move this company forward and trying to manage the day-to-day tasks that I already have other managers doing for me. So I might not be hopping on these morning meetings anymore, just because quite frankly, I don't know if it's the best leverage of my time because I already have a sales director. I feel like if my closers need any help, then I'll definitely be more than able to help them out. It's just in terms of priorities, like I have other things I need to work on to grow this company to the next level. Other than that, let's get changed for the gym. Let's go. All right. Got a meeting with my business partners in like 10 minutes, so gonna change real quick. Try to catch my breath from leg day. I'm dead as hell. Let's cut to it. Just wrapped up my business partner meeting. Now I have basically an hour and 20 minutes where I gotta take my back-to-back meetings. But until then, gotta hit the pool, hot tub, sauna, steam room combo because I can. So let's go, let's do it. About to have a meeting with my new users of my software company. Pretty much every week I hop on an onboarding call just to make sure everybody that recently purchased my software is fully up and running and know exactly what they're getting into, how to use it, and overall just how to actually succeed. So weird segue, but if you are interested in getting a live onboarding call from me, potentially using my software, just check out the link in my description. It should be the first link. No pressure. It's not gonna change my life. Might be able to change yours. I don't know. You do you. I can't control you. But again, just check out the link in my description and let's cut to the meeting. So I actually have 10 minutes to spare. So I just want to give a quick little yap session. So tomorrow's actually Thanksgiving. So by the time you're watching this, it's probably is Thanksgiving. And it feels so weird still being in Chicago while like all my other friends are going back to their hometown, spending time with family. Damn, like I wish I was in my hometown in Virginia right now. But my parents are out of town. I'll be spending my first Thanksgiving away from my parents, like ever, which is kind of crazy if you really think about it. And I'll just be going to my girlfriend's place tomorrow instead, or I guess today when you're watching this. But I think when you're watching this today, just like really be grateful and enjoy the time you have with your loved ones and enjoy the time and really like cherish that quality time you have with your friends and family, because like it's not always promised and it's not always guaranteed. Like every Thanksgiving or like every holiday you'll be able to see them. It feels low-key kind of weird that I'm still working on this fine Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving, but I got nothing else to do, and this is what I love to do. No matter what, I'm gonna keep fucking going, trying to make my dreams a reality. Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Renzo. Gonna be cooking pretty much the same thing as always, steak and broccoli, so let's get to it. And boom, there we go. And now I got some Chipotle. Now you might be thinking, Renzo, didn't you just eat a little steak dinner? Why are you having two dinners? Well, believe it or not, it's for this girl. Gotta feed the lady. All right, about to head off to bed. As always, official numbers for the day. Only made $1,374 today. But you know what? That's okay. I think there's a lot of problems and a lot of things I had to figure out with my business. That's what business is all about. It's just like a never-ending game of solving the next problem, the next constraint in front of you. Sometimes it's really obvious what it is. Sometimes, like in the position I am right now, it's not. I actually don't know exactly what is stopping me from growing this to the next level. The problems I do know and the problems I am aware of are gonna take a lot of time to fix. And it's not gonna happen overnight. Raw reality of entrepreneurship is you see all the success everybody has and it's like, damn, like that guy was an overnight success, that guy's killing it, I want to be like him. But in actuality, it didn't happen overnight. Yeah, business is frustrating. I wish I could grow at the pace that I want to grow right now. I understand that things take time, and the single best trait you could have in business is just being patient and consistently doing the right things over and over and over every single day. Maybe not even seeing the results yet, but just trust in the process that the results will eventually come. As long as you never fucking give up, you keep fucking going and are in the direction of the goals you want to hit. As long as I show up consistently and keep getting better, keep improving and growing to find the perfect way to do business, as long as I'm in that direction, I'm gonna fucking get there. If you're wondering how I'm able to make all this money without really doing much work, I just made a free course on YouTube breaking down exactly how I made $2 million profit, just type messages on my phone. Now you can do it too, or make like 3 to 4K a month from home if you want. Just check out this playlist right here and get a pen and paper out because it's gonna be crazy. So again, check out this playlist right here. And other than that, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.